Scorpio. December 2024 is your time to shine, reflect, and embrace some powerful changes. This month is packed with transformative energy that's going to help you wrap up the year in the best way possible. The stars are aligning to give you clarity, balance, and maybe even a little magic. But before we get into all the exciting details, let me ask you something. What's your biggest wish for 2025? Take a moment and share it in the comments below. Let's put it out into the universe together, and who knows? With this collective energy, we might just give your dreams an extra push. And if this resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like button. It's such a small gesture, but it helps so much to keep this beautiful energy flowing. Let's start with your well-being. Mars, your traditional ruler, is firing up your health sector early this month. You'll feel a boost of energy and motivation to take better care of yourself, whether it's getting back to the gym, trying a new diet, or even focusing on mental health. But listen, with Mercury retrograde from November 25th to December 15th, you might need to pace yourself. Don't overdo it. If you've been pushing too hard, this is your reminder to slow down, rest, and recharge. When Neptune goes direct in Pisces on December 7th, your intuition kicks in big time. You'll just know what's right for your body and mind. Trust that inner voice, it's leading you toward balance and renewal. Take it one step at a time, Scorpio. Small, consistent changes are going to make a huge difference this month. Okay, let's talk about work. December could be a game changer for you professionally. The new moon in Sagittarius on December 12th brings fresh opportunities in your career. This is a powerful moment to set long-term goals and envision where you want to go. But here's the thing, because Mercury retrograde is still lingering, avoid rushing into major decisions or signing contracts until after the 15th if you can. Around December 7th, Venus enters Aquarius, bringing a creative spark to your professional life. If you've been stuck on a problem, this energy helps you think outside the box and find innovative solutions. Stay focused and use this month to plan, strategize, and dream big. The universe is setting the stage for you. Just be patient and trust the timing. Now, about your finances. December might feel like a bit of a roller coaster at times, but don't worry, you've got this. The new moon on December 12th could bring some exciting financial opportunities your way. Maybe it's a raise, a new job offer, or even a creative side hustle. But again, with Mercury retrograde in the mix, take your time to review all the details before making any big commitments. The full moon in Gemini on December 15th is an excellent time to reassess shared resources or joint finances. Are things balanced? Are there adjustments you need to make? This is your chance to clear up any confusion and move forward with confidence. End the month by setting clear, realistic financial goals for 2025. Take a deep breath, visualize abundance, and take one simple step to bring it closer to reality. And now, let's get into love, Scorpio. Venus moves into Aquarius on December 7th, and this shift could shake things up in your relationships. If you're in a relationship, you might feel inspired to try something new together. Think spontaneous dates or deeper conversations. If you're single, this energy might draw you to someone totally unexpected. It's exciting, but just remember, stay true to yourself. The full moon in Gemini on December 15th highlights communication in your relationships. If there's been something on your mind, something you've been avoiding, it's time to talk about it. Be open, be honest, but also be kind. Vulnerability is your superpower this month. And hey, if love feels slow right now, don't stress. Focus on nurturing your own happiness and watch how it attracts the right energy to you. So, Scorpio, December is setting you up for some major breakthroughs. Whether it's health, career, money, or love, this month is your chance to reflect, grow, and get ready for an incredible 2025. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like this video and leave your biggest wish for 2025 in the comments. Let's create something beautiful together. Here's to a magical December and an even brighter year ahead. You've got this.